If we begin counting our stressors today, there is no end to it. The world is stressed, the situations that we are into stress, the activities that we do through the day, we do feel stressed. So precisely we are in a state of stress all the time. But what exactly is this stress? Let's just try to understand it from a scientific perspective and how Ayurveda can help. So when we talk of stress, it's more of a nervous system phenomena. And nervous system phenomena works on two balancing aspects. One is the sympathetic nervous system, the other one is the parasympathetic nervous system. Sympathetic nervous system is switched on within our body when we are in a state of rush, we fear we sense some danger, some fear, or when we are in a very high activity mode. Even exercise can give you a lot of stress, even though we think that it's good for us. Of course, yes, exercise is good for us, but it is a stress for the body if we overdo it. So sympathetic nervous system precisely creates a web of hormones that plays around with the body functionality in a way that ultimately gives us imbalances, which someday may manifest into some big disease. The other side of sympathetic nervous system that balances this system is the parasympathetic nervous system, which is more of a state of rest, relaxation, and just being with yourself, just flowing with the flow of the day or yourself, flowing in the nature, just being at ease. Now, 5,000 years back, the science of Ayurveda already knew how stress can impact our body. This advanced so-called ancient science knew everything, how body functions from inside out. Now, ashwagandha is one of the herbs that Ayurveda highly recommends for dealing with stress disorders. How does it work? Ashwagandha actually helps soothe down the nervous disorders by activating the parasympathetic response and bringing our body back to rest. Ashwagandha nowadays is available in a supplement form. It is also available in a herb form which looks something like this. Ashwagandha can also be taken in the powdered form as per the recommendation of your Ayurvedic physician. One of the Ayurveda elixirs that you can make using ashwagandha is you can take 1 cup of almond milk, add some cinnamon to it, 1 small cardamom to it, half a spoon of ashwagandha and few rose petals along with 2 dates. Just blend everything together to a smooth consistency. Warm it on flame before consuming, and this can be really great stress healing elixir for you before you go off to bed.